So welcome back guys to the channel. I am Joff from Mo Hotel Adventures, as you probably know if you watch our videos, and you probably know if you watch our videos that I've had a little bit of a trauma with my curtain drapes in the Burstner motorhome. So basically it's got these little tiny clip things up in this profile. And I just wanted to document this because it's always a bit of a nightmare trying to locate these little tiny things. You know, it's like little bits of plastic that you just can't live without. Yeah, we had a bit of draping trouble, so we're trying to sort it out. And anyway, thank you to the people on the Burstner Facebook group. For literally, I was a bit sort of have I got time to start rooting around on Amazon? But anyway, I put a little post up on the forum, and it wasn't long, and all of a sudden you're getting loads of people. Thanks to everybody that commented. Anyway, in the meantime, probably in the early some of the early responses, there was a name mentioned, and I kind of just hit that into Amazon. It was this Hino Click clips. So Hino Click clips. So anyway, we got that in the Amazon, and it wasn't long, and I've come across it. We will put the links to these ones in the description so you can click on it and get there even quicker than I actually probably. So it just saves that time, saves a lot of aggravation. And so the other thing, right before we go any further, so it's the distance between these little profiles. Yeah, so it's this little profile up here where these little tiny clips just clip in and then obviously hook on to the blind arrangement that dangles below it. There's a lot of weight in this blind, so you know, you need a fair bit of Hino Click to clip it up. But so I've removed the old one from up there, and we're going to hook a new one on and clip it back in. There is the actual product picture on my phone. These are quite I'll just move that phone out of the way, and then so I did bring in my tape measure, but I was just visually so these clips here come on the new style, and I was just eyeing up. There's one of the old ones there, and there's one of the new ones, and I'm pretty sure that one actually looks a little bit wider than the original, but I've checked it in the profile and it sits in an absolute dream. It possibly could be better than that one, the original. So yeah, it's all looking pretty good. So there we go, there they are. It's a job to actually see that difference in I don't know whether I can get that close to see the difference in profile. There is a little, I think the ones I ended up with are 4mm. So the one I got my finger on at the moment, that square block is 4mm across, as opposed to that one. It looks a little bit like it could be about 3, I don't know. But anyway, happy days. It fits in, and it's a little bit tighter, so that's all going to be good news, to be honest, because it just retains that blind up in position. So let's smack one in and see how it looks. Sorry about the state of my fingernails. There he goes, look. And then we're just going to push it up into position. I haven't been to the manicurist today. There. Oh, hang on. Let's get him right up in. There. Look at that. That is nice. Absolutely. Right, another one. Let's get the next one on that little hook. Oh, there's the old one. So they literally just... oh, hang on, let me just get my camera. It's a little bit of a... You can just see it hooked on there, and just with a little bit of... There he goes. Just a little twist, and out he goes. So we'll get another new one and throw on that hook. All down. So the price of these were $15.61. So and I had free delivery on that, free delivery lot, and Amazon Prime, and there they are, and we get 100 in this bag. So that is outstanding value for money as far as I'm concerned. Right, so there's the next one, just hooked on, and I'm just going to bring him up in position. Oh, if I can. It's a little bit fiddly for people like me. There he goes. And that is snicked in a dream. Look at that. So we are totally back on with that drape. I'm going to just come over the other side now, because I've got one up in this corner that's been a bit of a problem as well. So I think it's on the underneath where the string is, this maybe the tugging part. So I'm going to replace that one as well. There he is. And we're going to go back up in. That's the profile. There we go. Oh, hang on, a little bit further. There he goes. In. Look at that. That is so neat. Wow. Okay. Just going to check this end, see what this end's like. He seems to be hanging on that one okay. I think. So out of the box of 100, I think I've used, what have I used? 3? Maybe I need to put one in that end as well. Let me just check that one. Let's have a look at that end as well. I reckon that's going to be all right. I think what I'm going to do, is I'll just, when we place all our stuff back in, I think I'm going to get a few of these and just, you're going to probably comment, what do you think I should do? Do the whole lot? I just want to do the whole, I'm going to do the whole lot, I think. I'm just going to do the whole lot. I'm going to replace the whole lot now. So give us 5 minutes and let's do it. Wow, just adopting the position again now. It was only 4 years ago when we were led in this motorhome, and just picking her up, and I'm just back in that same dream position now, looking across, and look, all my blinds, I've just dropped the blinds down, and so we've been running them with them like up for a little while, but I've just dropped them down to give them a little bit of an air out, and how nice is it looking? You know, just the light coming in. Yeah, so it's just great. Yeah, I love it, absolutely love it. So there we go, guys, and the other side all re-hyno clipped up, and yeah, there's the blind, looking really smart. I think normally we kind of like, I think Caroline might winch them up, so basically to save you getting tangled up in the night, I'm a bit sort of, I get tangled up. I'm normally the one that makes a right mess in my bed. She's like, what have you been back, you know, but anyway, I'm a happy bunny. The blinds are back in order, and it's been one of them little things, like, oh, and it just gets so frustrating. You know what it's like. Oh, the blind's down again, trying to clip it in, and it's, you know, it's not going to stay there. One little bump and it's popped out again. So that is, Caroline's going to be over the moon with that. I know, you know, literally, it's just like made it so nice again now, and just them, they'll be ripping that off for my habitation check as well. They normally tear it off and then like just chuck it on the bed, but anyway, that's life, isn't it? But so habitation check on Monday, and I think we're all good to go then. We're all pretty up to speed, everything's tickety boo. Yeah, all good. So I hope that's maybe shown you what to do if you get this problem, and give us a thumbs up, give us a comment on that. How did it go with you guys? Just make sure, well, this is the, you know what we've got here, 690G, and obviously these little profiles are all very similar, and you know, many same make motorhomes. So them 4 mil, they're a dream, absolute snick, and it's in, and it's like a little fish hook up there, and it's not coming out in a hurry. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye now.